What is good, YouTube? Be Squizzle, what's happening, y'all? Hey, ChefBiz here. Check out the merch, check out the drip. Make sure you guys go to Her Creations and get your apparel and your Blackened season right now. But guys, look, that's not what it's about. It's about 6:48 right now, guys, and we trying to beat the sun. I mean, the sun already went down, but we still trying to like beat the sun. We were trying to beat the sun, but the sun already went down. But we still gonna grill though. We gonna get y'all that content. But I know a lot of you guys have been ordering my Blackened season, so I just wanted to take the time to show you guys how to go about properly using that Blackened season. Okay, so today I will be making some Blackened seasoning. All right, so we're gonna be making some Blackened seasoning today. So I just want you guys to make sure you smash that like, smash the subscribe button, show me some love, y'all. We almost at that 1,000 subscribers, man. Who knew we'd be this close? But we almost there. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. I appreciate all the love you guys been spreading for me. Appreciate everybody that's been buying my seasoning, going crazy. You know what I mean? Keep an eye out for it in your stores, coming soon. But so I'm gonna show you guys in this video. I'm gonna show you guys how to go about grilling blackened salmon or making blackened salmon, as far as how much seasoning to put on there, because you really don't need a whole lot of seasoning, if you get my drift. But y'all stay tuned, all right? All right, guys, here we have it right here. We have some Blackened seasoning on the mat. We have some salt and pepper right here. Also, as you can see, look, it's lightly coated, right? So this is what we're gonna do, right? Put a little bit of. Usually, when I do my salmon, I like to add some mixed herb to it. But we in a rush right now. I don't have no mixed herbs chopped up. So we're just gonna go ahead and add some salt and pepper, which is the main part we want to do, and then we want to add lightly coated with some Blackened seasoning. You see, it's not crazy. It's lightly coated with some Blackened seasoning, and I promise you that all that flavor will come through. You see what I did right there? And of course, the bottom already got seasoned too. I put it on a mat so I can just lay it flat, boom, and it's there. Put a mat, I just lay it flat. You can see, and trust me, boom, it's already on the mat, so I lay it flat, boom, it's there. So we good to go right now. We're gonna get these on the grill. Stay tuned. Late night grilling. Oh yeah, late night grilling in the woods. Got the Blackened season, got the Blackened salmon season right here, guys. As you can see, there's not too much. All I added was some salt, pepper, and a nice coating of the Blackened season on there. You know. And for those that don't know how to grill, when you start the grill, make sure you have all the charcoal piled up in the middle, and a nice little mountain. Wait for that flame to go down. Right now is a good time to kind of like move that coal around. You can start adding the proteins and everything to it, the grill now. All right, guys, I'm gonna just spray this with some coconut oil. Make sure the salmon don't stick. We're gonna put that display side down first.
Don't forget to subscribe YouTube channel.
ChefBiz.
YouTube ChefBiz. Period.